Hello everyone, I'm Jax and today I want to teach you how to do some drag makeup. I have some other videos, but this one will be updated and hopefully a little bit better. So I like to start with, before I do anything related to makeup, is putting on a nice layer of lotion. Makeup can really age your skin, give you acne, all that type of stuff. So lotion will help with that. It won't necessarily prevent anything, but it'll help. After that, I like to start with foundation. I don't use cover up or anything just because if you're doing drag, you're probably on a stage or there's poor to really good lighting, a lot of lighting differences, and you kind of just don't really need to use a cover up. So after I do the foundation, I move on to the contour. The places that you'll want to contour are the cheekbones. You can do a little bit on the chin, the nose, the eyes, and some bits on the forehead, and you'll see later exactly what I mean by on the forehead. And those are the places that you really want to focus on to chisel out. So all of those will be like darker in certain ways. When I do my eyebrows, what I like to do is follow the general shape of my eyebrows. I use a brown pencil because my hair is brown, but you could use any color you want. Really, I've done plenty of drag where I do more fun, different, weird colors, and that's always an option. And I follow the general shape of my eyebrow where it goes up in the middle to end, I guess. It's a little bit farther over. And in general, I make it bigger, but always on the upper side and not more towards my eyeball, because you want to make your eyeballs seem bigger. When I do my eyebrows, what I like to start with is the highlighting of the edge. I don't know what you'd even call that. You just go straight up from the peak of your brow, and then I also like to highlight the area around my brows. As long as you're hitting up the highlight, you can do the bridge of your nose as well. After that, you can go in with your dark contour and do the edges of the highlight, and then you'll blend that in so that you have the sharp dark edge and then a fade after that, just like you did for the cheekbones. One of the things that's really helpful when you're first starting doing lots of makeup and stuff, especially for drag, is to remember to do lots of layers. You won't get the darkest that you want it to be or the right kind of fade that you want with just one brush. You have to just keep going back, putting a little bit more on, and doing that type of thing. When you're done with your forehead, you can move on to the highlight above your jawbone chiseled contour. After that, you can move on to doing a little bit of darkening on your chin and in general the edge of your jawline to make it pop. If you have a less chiseled jaw, less defined jawline, then doing a little bit of dark contour on the edge of that can really help it seem like you have a chiseled jaw. I greatly apologize for the poor framing. I didn't realize where the camera was facing or whatever. Could have done that better. Either way, what I'm doing now is I'm putting purple on my eyelids and I'm staying close to my eyelashes and not going too high because that's just going to ruin the kind of shape effect that you have on your eyelids right now. I'm also putting purple on my eyebrows, and I'm doing some on my little chin bit right underneath my lips, so it looks like you have a little bit of hair, and I'm also doing a little bit of mustache shape with the purple. I'm also using gold here and there to add shine, because why not be glamorous? I mean, if you're a king, you gotta flaunt what you have. For my lips, I like to use lip tint, because if you use lipstick, then it's too feminine. It's considered very feminine. You can use a lipstick. It's definitely a thing that people mix a lot of genders, and you start to really question what even gender is, which is kind of one of the fun things about drag. But I use a lip tint to still give a lot of color to my lips without doing too much that it seems super feminine, even though what I'm doing is gonna be considered kind of feminine with all of the sparkles and everything like that. Remember, when you're doing your drag, you don't need expensive makeup or anything like that. I'm using mostly dollar store makeup. Cheap stuff works just fine, especially when you're starting. So feel free to do as much drag as you want. I hope everyone likes the final product I have with the purple eyebrows and a little bit of a purple mustache. I think that's really fun. But if you try either the regular drag or the glam drag, as I'm calling it, please share your looks with me on social media. I have an Instagram at Jack's World of Awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon.